Bonjour team, nice to meet you. So my name is Kevin from Franc Landscapes. I started my own business about 4 years ago. We're doing really well in Auckland and enjoying working with Central. So this job, for Tanya, we discussed all the materials, the potential different designs, and that's where Central has been really useful with all the different products as the pavers, decorative pebbles, the different mulch. We worked with all those products and came up with a design. We ended up using a lot of railway sleepers, a big entertaining area with the hogging, created those gardens around the house. So there was a lawn here where I'm standing before, which was lower than the current concrete patio. And the concrete patio was old and broken, so we renovated that as well. So what we use from Central here, you can see the railway sleepers. People are after that really nice, chunky, solid, rustic look. Under the hogging, you've got a compacted base of gap 20 everywhere. So there's a fair amount of gap 20, which you don't see, but it's there to give stability to the whole ground. On top of that, you've got the hogging. So nice, white, slick finish, which compacts really well and becomes a hard surface. Central Landscapes has been great because we've been able to get deliveries right in front of the properties of the different materials we've needed. Anywhere you are in Auckland, there's always a Central nearby. Bonjour guys, welcome back. Bonjour guys. So today we're at the pool house. So we started doing the method behind the craft on the Instagram page to show the products we use and why we're using those products. From Central Landscape, for example, which are quality products, installed well, and that's how you get great results.